Kimora Lee Simmons asks court to award her ex custody of their 11-year-old son. But there's a bizarre twist. As Kimora Lee Simmons' ex Tim Leissner remains behind bars for financial crimes, a new update in their divorce has caused confusion. The couple are officially ending their marriage of 12 years, with Leissner filing for divorce back in April and requesting joint legal and physical custody of their 11-year-old son Wolfe. But a new update filed by Simmons last week sparked some head-scratching. Court documents obtained by the Daily Mail show that Simmons, 51, has asked that Leissner, 54, receive legal and physical custody of their son.
Tired of messy watermelon prep? The crisp taste 2-in-1 watermelon cutter slices neat cubes quickly, then switches to a retractable fork for easy serving with less mess. Want to check today's Amazon deal? Scan the QR code now or visit grabdeal.us/3 before it's gone.
The requests, however, appear to have been a mistake. A source has since told TMZ that the request is inaccurate and appears to have been made in clerical error. Simmons has actually had full custody of Wolfe since splitting from Leissner in 2020, the insider said. The Daily Mail has contacted representatives for Simmons and Leissner for comment, but has not yet heard back. The source said that the remainder of the filing is correct, with Simmons hitting back against Leissner's hopes to receive spousal support. Simmons indicated in the new documents that she wanted to receive spousal support. She also has asked the court to terminate Leissner's ability to receive support. Simmons has also requested that Leissner pay for her attorney's fees and costs, after he asked for his attorney's fees to be fronted by her. He also originally asked that she pay her own attorney's fees and costs. In August 2018, Leissner entered a guilty plea in connection with conspiring to launder money and conspiring to violate the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act over a transaction involving Malaysia's government. Justice Department said in 2023 that as part of the deal in which he entered his plea, Leissner forfeited $43 million in cash in addition to shares of stock valued at more than $200 million. In February, Leissner turned himself into authorities at United States Penitentiary, Allenwood in Pennsylvania. His attorney Henry Majork told Bloomberg to begin his 2-year sentence. Simmons and Leissner split up 4 years ago, but moves were finally made to officially end the union several months ago. Leissner filed for divorce from the fashion designer in April, stating in legal documents obtained by the Daily Mail that he and Simmons had encountered irreconcilable differences in their 12-year marriage. The German-born banker, who wed Simmons in March 2014, asked the court to award him spousal support from Simmons and block her from getting money from him. The one-time Goldman Sachs director asked the court to order Simmons to pay for his court expenses in the case. In addition to son Wolfe, Simmons has 4 other children. Daughters Ming, 26, and Aoki, 23, with ex-husband Russell Simmons, 68, son Kenzo, 17, with ex-boyfriend Jimin Hounsoo, 62, and son Gary, 16, who she adopted in 2020. Simmons began seeing Leissner in the wake of her split from Hounsoo. She was linked to the actor, whose cinematic credits include movies such as Amistad, Blood Diamond, and Guardians of the Galaxy, for more than 5 years spanning 2007 to 2012. Kimora was wed to Russell Simmons from 1998 until they finalized their split in 2009. The Def Jam co-founder's career has tumbled after at least 15 women accused him of sexual misconduct amid the rise of the Me Too movement in late 2017. He tried in vain to salvage his reputation following the sexual misconduct allegations with a publicity campaign with the slogan "Number Not Me." "I will prove without any doubt that I am innocent of all rape charges," Russell Simmons said in December of 2017. "My intention is not to diminish the Me Too movement in any way, but instead hold my accusers accountable." After less than a month, Russell Simmons scuttled the campaign and later that year relocated to Bali, Indonesia. Simmons in 2024 lashed out on social media after celebs who had visited him overseas, a group that included Usher, Taraji P. Henson, and the since-convicted Sean Diddy Combs, had taken flack online for continuing to associate with him. Russell Simmons said at the time, "Black people, did you forget that I got 10,000 black men out of jail?" and that I registered more of you to vote than probably anybody you know. And I worked for Black Lives Matter and every movement that's helped our people. All the women's rights and even gay rights movements that I did so much work for. To let them demonize me in such a way that my friends cannot visit me without you attacking them, but yet you stand next to Donald Trump. Knock it off. Kimora Lee Simmons and Russell tangled late last year, amid tension over problems between Russell and his daughters. After Russell accused Kimora of trying to influence their daughters against him, Kimora said on social media in December, "My girls are grown women. Why are you typing from thousands of miles away in a non-extradition country? Go negotiate and answer your accusers." She told people in December, "Usually I would say that I co-parent okay, but the kids are with me full-time. It's difficult, but I don't know sometimes what other people are thinking."